LPS. What a great day at school. Who's that boy? Oh, hey, Pinky Face. Oh, my dog. That boy is so cute. Why do these doorknobs have to be so hard? Forgot to close the door. That's so funny. What did he call me? Pinky Face. Yeah, that's what he called me. Pinky Face. Hey, ladies. Oh, hey, little sis. Oh, hey, big sis. Hi, sisters. Hey, little sis. Hi. I'm going to be up in my room, relaxing, as I usually do after school. Don't you want to do something fun with us? Yeah. I'm sorry, girls. I'm just really tired. I want to be in my room, Such a hard day. Ugh. What did I call that girl again? Pinky Face. Really, Jacob? The girl you think is the cutest and that lives right next to you? You call her Pinky Face just because she has pink on her face? Real. Great move. Oh, hey, big bro. Oh, hey. Oh, sorry. It's chill. So, dude, what are you doing? Well, I also just, saw this really cute girl outside, and she lives right next door. Sounds chill. Are you gonna say hi? Well, I did call her Pinky Face. Maybe she won't want to see me. Dude, that's a dumb move. I know I shouldn't have done that, but, I don't know what I was thinking. Oh, well, better luck tomorrow. What are you doing over here anyways? I thought you said you hated this room because it was so... Oh, yeah, well, I'm just staying here because I'm freezing, Oh, yeah, totally. Oh. That was funny when he called me Pinky Face. Is my face really so pink that he has to call me that? Hi, my little octopus friends. Madison's always so funny. He's there again. There we go. Oh, hi, my name's Jacob. Oh, hi, my name's, quick, why don't you remember your own name, Jamie? Jamie! Jamie! Jamie's my name. Okay. I'm gonna just be going now. Oh, sure, yeah, of course. Yeah. Jamie. Cool. Oh, I can't believe you. Why didn't you know your whole entire name? Now he's gonna think you're a weirdo. Ugh. Real smart, Janice. When did she start calling herself Janice? Oh well. How come she didn't even know her whole name? Probably just nervous. Wait a second. What if she was lying? Oh, well. Okay. Gosh, why can't my finger cover it up? Perfect. Okay, there. Oh, my glasses. Oh, here, let me help you. Thanks. You're so kind. You're so kind. Oh, you're welcome. Oh, why do I always forget this dumb little door? I can't believe you actually touched my glasses. I thought I was done for and you would never ever speak to me after this. Guys, we're here. We saw the whole entire thing. You guys are literally so cute. Says you. You're so little. You don't even know about this type of stuff. You're too little. Well, I'm older than you, so I can technically help. No, you can't. I'm going up to my room. Ugh. We should try it again. Okay. Oh, hey, dude. Hello, bro. I saw what happened outside. Oh, dude. Don't tell any of my friends. Don't worry. I won't. You're so funny. Oh, my God. Yeah. Yeah. It's just beautiful. octopus is. Always falling off my shelves. Look, stop. No one is gonna help me with him. I'm doing this all on my own. And that's the way it's gonna be. I have an idea. I'll go upstairs on the balcony. Get some fresh air, you know. I always leave the door a crack open because it always locks, you know, when it closes on its own. Oh, shoot. Take two. And I always leave the door a crack open because, you know, it locks on its own. Oh, Jacob, you always had a place in my heart. What am I singing? It's not even good without music. I mean, it's a song. It's gonna need music. Ugh. Ugh. Did you just close the door? Yeah. It locks on its own, you loser idiot. Good for nothing klutz. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to call you that. My sisters call me that all the time when we get stuck up here. Our parents end up coming. Of course. Well, since we're here alone, you want to talk? Yeah. Ever since I met you. Yeah. And ever since I moved into this house, I think I know where this is going. Do you? Yes, I'll be your girlfriend. What? Shoot, why did I say that? Now we're stuck up here. I can't run away or anything. Are you okay? Did something happen in your brain when you were speaking? Anything? Oh yeah, I'm totally fine. Fine. I'm totally fine. Cool. Yeah. Yeah. It's just, it had already been 2 hours, and I was stuck up here, and we were stuck. Jamie, yeah? Do you want to be my girlfriend? Of course I will. Then. That was quite nice. Yeah, well, it's always nice knowing someone new. Yeah, I know. Well, maybe we could... Wait a second. The door was already a tiny bit open. Are you joking me? Well, thank dog I could get out now. Oh, I'm so sorry I pushed you. It's alright, you good-for-nothing klutz loser. Hey guys, I hope you guys liked this skit. It was a bit long. I'm actually gonna call it a short film. Yeah, Lovebirds in the Wind. You guys like that, don't you? Yeah, it's probably not gonna get a lot of views, even though I'm gonna spend a long time on it, Yeah. I used to hear my sister say, like, you're not gonna show that. I'm gonna say that on my channel. Okay. Yeah, this is kind of nice, Why does this pillow always have to? My bad. Anyways, guys, leave a like if you want me to do another episode on my new series, and I will. So yeah. It's an outro.